St. Mary, guys, located in the northeast section of Jamaica.
Alright, no dance now! Come in front!
Yeah, man, guys, I'm say we're in Jeffery, a small community. Everywhere going to the country find somebody with an outside bathroom, you know? Yeah, man. The water gone, you know, so you have to worry about because there's no water to flush it. You can call it jab buffer, jab through or whatever. Nice Irish potato farm, guys. You there? Yeah, man, guys, welcome to Jeffery, a small community in St. Mary. Yeah, man, guys, so we're back at Jeffery again. So look up for the one here, guys, and remember, I always say like, comment, share, subscribe, and watch your ads them because that's how I make a revenue. So watch your ads, you know. Yeah, man, and share it with all the friends, family. Yeah, man, let's make it channel grow. Actually, you couldn't bother with much of it. Go walk. Not true. And so a night look yam farm here, guys. Yeah, man, so them plant the yellow yam. So our next piece here down here, so them planting is bamboo a stick right up on bamboo. It's a yam vine right on the bamboo. Yeah, man. I don't know a country. So everywhere you go, there's a people with yam and pumpkin everything, you know, because they plant everything here. So every year apart from it, guys will beer farming. From guys will St. Mary. Them piece here, guys. No farming going in place here. Pineapple, see that one there. A small one there. Some more yam here. Yeah, like yam, I'm say. The stick. Right up on the stick. Yeah, man, guys, know what this? Know what a building here is? Everywhere going to the country find somebody with an outside bathroom, you know? Yeah, man. The water gone, you know, so you have to worry about because there's no water to flush it. You can call it jab buffer, jab through or whatever they call it. Yeah, man. So everybody in the country know this. I'm not going to show that though because they don't know anybody want to shoot anything. Yeah. Nutmeg. See nutmeg, guys, but the one in the radiate. The one in the radiate. I'm going to chop off first and open up. Yeah, man, nutmeg tree this, guys. But when there's no ground, yeah, there's no ground yet. Nutmeg. Enough pig na pin man kill ya. Afraid? Okay. Guys, this is so you don't know the man run up and down, you know. So pig na pin, pig na each section. Want see? Pick out a boat, man. Yeah, man, guys, I'm say we're in Jeffery, a small community in St. Mary. And guys, my go know a little history about St. Mary. Not much, just few little words. Yeah, everything right down because can't remember everything from head. Yeah, man. So, St. Mary, guys, located in the northeast section of Jamaica. And I'm say St. Mary are one of the smallest parish in Jamaica. and it located in Middlesex. You don't have Cornwall, Middlesex, and Surrey. Yeah. And St. Mary is known to be the first section of the island occupied by the Spaniards in 1655 and later occupied by the English people. Yeah man, so that is it guys. So let's stay tuned. Next bang again. One for you guys. I don't know. It's a young rooster. One of the big ones be a young one. May I see so far still. Some more here. Yeah, the white one I think the white one in your hen. The one you don't know same way. Hen that. Yeah man. Nice jelly tree. Nice and short. When I fear you stick on stretch the hand and pick where I pick. I don't know. A little kitchen outdoor same way. So I guess as a youth growing up in the country when I come from school and thing and see smoke come through the hose and the zinc or through the door I feel good because I know say yo mama cook something. Yeah man. You find it Meg? So not me guys, down in Japan nothing parade and come out of the okay this is the yellow part is the guys. Yeah man, so maybe we can walk and search and find more nutmeg. You can walk and search and find more. Yeah man, nice spice this, you know guys. Nice spice this when you porridge your tea and them something there. Yeah, bake.
Alright, no dance now!
Back it up.
Come on, again.
Anything you can do?
Put the foot.
Come in front, come in front.
Oh. Where they know? Come on the flowers.
Come on the flowers.
What's that? Right, come on the lily now. Alright. Baby. What's up?
Yeah, I did. Imagine.
It's on pari.
I'm gonna get money police too, so I get money and I win one case or something. When I look out at tire shop, I put up some breeder dance, you know. Let me leg of the year back. I get one crate of money. Me dancing contest right down with charge and the cash back. And at the end of place. Yes, sir. So one truck money come.
Oh, yeah, you could sell it.
I will soon come. Yeah man, yeah, it is. I just vibes alone, you know. Yeah man, so we live in the country. We live with love and unity. Because without love, nothing can go on. So yeah man, so soon come again guys. Let's bang again. So like the video I say, share it out. Uno alone came at them kind of video here. share it out, man, and make people see them kind of video. See the bad dancing, just leave in the comments and tell me how I should do my dancing. So yeah, man, leave in the comments and tell me what I want. Jump over, jump over.
Oh, it's up. You're going to buy it, you're going to use it.
Call look face, you know. My name Bucky, you know. So I'm going to Yaadie. So you tie the pig them, you have a penny, no? Yeah, man. Nice big pig. Yeah, man, guys, and some lovely country here. Yeah, man, them are young still. Everywhere I go, is somebody plant something. Yeah, man, it's them pretty. Lovely corn. Nice, nice, man. Everywhere I go, I find somebody plant look at something. Nice. Yeah, if you go find somebody plant something. Okay, this is a cucumber. Most cucumber them here, guys. I'm not sure still. It look like cucumber. This is a tomato. They look like tomato. Yeah, man. I want to look like semi greenhouse.
I need to cheer when you're done. I need to cheer shower. Is it planned that many? You haven't planned it. You never had a plan, you know?
That young.
Yeah.
You have that now, don't you?
Yeah, man, guys. So we cut the plant now a while ago. Yeah, man, I'm sure one up with a fall down. Yeah, man.
May I answer me?
So you stick and diggy.
Yeah, soda. Soda girl, have enough.
Yeah, I realize.
Yeah, soda girl, better.
You know what you should have done standing.
Soda girl, better.
You like that shot, so you can't balance. You know, like that shot, so that be slow.
Yeah, some. Little pump on
Kila kila pum pum yam, I see.
You know say I'm the best.
Nice, yeah, man. You are nice.
Yeah, that one.
Second pum pum yam. Train him.
Pum yam, brother. Pum yam, brother. You wanna can't walk, no man can't walk. Backside. Yeah, that's a good one.
Please tell me how much pound this, Georgie.
About 2 pounds, yeah, but it's not 2.5 or near 3 pounds. Have a look at though, Jevaughn.
Judge and tell me how much pound yam this.
That's what I can judge.
1 milk or 1 pound. 1 tea milk or 1 pound. How much tea milk I feel like to you?
Like,
Hmm?
what 3?
3 tea milk that? Alright. Sorry now skip away and so we'll get it wrong. Alright guys, so we got the cane in here. So get a fine bag. Our crocus bag. Feed bag, you know. Chopping any stuff them right. So again guys, when I come to country get everything. You buy plant something, you buy the grow something, so you basically just enough things, you buy they give something. Except I can't come to tell you.
Take out the Yaadie.
Shell down to start up there, no? Down here, green to top of this. Alright. Your mom thinks so. But I'm going to stop so far, you know. Cane packing in the bag, the yam and the plantain. Heavy like a lead. Today Yaadie is about farming in St. Mary, all about farming on the farm and reaping and all that happens before. You see me? No cooking today. But if some end up cook, we couldn't know Gwaan.